Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Jasmy. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go down below, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and all that other good stuff. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, Jasmy coin. Yeah, so as everybody that's watching this is probably knows already, we've been in this falling wedge here forever, and I don't know what you see, but I see a nice breakout here, looking good. Let me go ahead and actually, I'm on the weekly time frame just to show you this breakout here, how massive it is. I mean, look at the resistance we've had, you know, all the way from the top, coming all the way down, and it's a nice breakout. And it's even got increasing volume. It's not like a whole lot, but like you can see, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see down here that we got one little green candle here, and this one's increasing a little bit. But that's really all it takes. You know, you get that little bit of an increase, and then you get a big one, and you start getting these bigger moves. And that's what we want to see. So great to see Jasmy moving up like that. Now let's go down to the daily. In the daily, I had been following this other falling wedge inside of the falling wedge. So we had this, you know, line right here, and then this line right here, and we had broken out right there. And this is when I kind of I thought that we would get the breakout out of the massive falling wedge, because we got this breakout. We tested it as support. We broke above the 50 on the RSI. And the target for this is right here, around 00465. We haven't reached the target yet. Right now, you can see we're getting heavily rejected on the daily 55. But the good news, if we zoom into this even further, okay, so our first one came up, massive rejection, big wick. This one, we poked above the 55, but another rejection with the wick. This one was getting weaker. We couldn't even get to the 55, but now we got a solid candle with a big wick above it, solid candle. I mean, we are just getting closer and closer and closer to a breakout above this 55. And the amount of pressure that's building up right here against this 55 just makes me think that once we break above that 55, we're going to get a big move, a quick move, I should say, which, I mean, 22% is still a big move, 23%. But a quick move, I think we're just going to burst up to this point right up here. But is that going to be soon? I don't know. It kind of looks like we might be rolling over here, actually, shortly. Unless we can break above this. Now, we're not really doing a higher high, higher low thing. We're kind of just coiling up into this upwards. I mean, is this some kind of a... What is this? Let's put a line here. I guess we can connect some dots. I mean, we got a couple right here. We are forming, yeah, it's actually forming a ascending triangle. And so, you know, let's do this. That's actually, what am I on the daily? Today or tomorrow, could see a breakout out of that. Now, if that is the case, and we did break out, something like that, what's our price target? That puts us right at where my line is just about, the price target. So that is likely, it's a possibility, I should say, that we do get that push up there and a big move. But, you know, there is still a chance that we come back down to retest this as previous support. So just be aware of that. We're going to go down into the lower time frames and see what's going on. While all these other coins like Gala is moving up 11% already today, and I think it did like 50% yesterday. Just crazy. We got 4%. Solana's up almost 12% on the day. I mean, things are moving, and Jasmy's not even up 0.5%. So, you know, could be a rollover here soon. The volume is decreasing, which could be a good thing too, because when the volume decreases, that means, you know, we're coiling up for something. And if we are in that wedge there, you know, we could get that blast to the upside. Pay attention to that. If you are looking to trade this move and you think it is going to go to the upside, just, you know, do a tight stop loss. Because I do actually think it's like 50-50 in my head that we could roll over here. So I would do a tight stop loss, maybe just, you know, somewhere around here, 0035-ish. But very tight stop loss, or even tighter if you want. You can move it all the way up here. Once we break through this trend line right here, it's pretty much over, in my opinion. So yeah, we do, maybe today or tomorrow, actually today or tomorrow, we will find out which direction we're going to go. But let's find out on the lower time frames now. You can see this a little bit better. Up, down, up, down, up. And then we could come back down here and then a blast to the upside. Forming, I mean, we're getting green dots here, but you know, the RSI is kind of just going sideways. It's just waiting for a move here. It's going to make a move. Let's go down to the 4 hour. We are above the 200 and the 55 EMA, and we're getting a 55 cross over the 200, which makes me think that we might have that move to the upside here. And another thing is we're not getting any divergences here. So we have a high right here and then a lower high, which is not good actually, but we're not getting a divergence. So that could be, you know, just, you know, coiling up a little bit, which is what it's doing. So don't need to worry about that too much. This is a positive move for Jasmy. I think the bottom is in for Jasmy. I'm going to say it. I think the bottom is in. I think the bottom was down here. I think that if we do come back down, now that we've broken out of not only this giant wedge that we've been under for a long time, but we also broke out of this wedge right here. There's just so much support now, in my opinion, below us. We've got on the 4 hour, we've got the 55 and the 200. On the daily, that's when we need to get above. We need to get above that 55 on the daily. But I do think that there's plenty of support underneath where if we did come back down, I don't think we're going to create a new low. I think that we get to the 3 cent level and maybe that's it to retest right around here. And then we can continue on to the upside. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Today or tomorrow, we'll find out if we're going up or we're going down. In either way, actually, I bet you the price target's roughly the same. So let's just do... If we break down, yeah, so even if we break down, which my arrow is the wrong way, but, you know, you see what I'm saying? If we break down, it comes right back down to retest this as support, which honestly would be better for the price action in the long term. You want to retest these as support. Otherwise, you're going to go up and you might crash all the way back down to retest it as support later. So that's pretty much it. Jasmy's doing great. We broke out of two falling wedges here. We're coiling up right now, and today or tomorrow, we're going to find out which direction we're headed. In the short term. So, yeah, I might actually put a trade in on this and hope to go to the upside and get that 22% move. We'll see. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. All that other stuff I talked about earlier. And take a look at Gala. Holy crap. Don't buy into Gala yet, but wait for a retracement. But Gala is going nuts right now. And I'll talk to you later.